Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 5. In the last class I have started exercise 2.5 and I have completed first bit. Okay? What is the first bit here? Find the quotient and check the answer in each of the following. I did first problem with one digit. So let us go to the second bit. Find the quotients and remainders and also check the answer in each of the following. What is the first question they have given? 63,357 divided by 18. Here they have given the one digit, here they have given the two digit number. So we have to solve. Let us solve this. So let us start the solution. How we have to solve this? 63,357 18. Okay. So with 18 table we have to solve this. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 2 8s are 16, 6 1 carry, 2 ones are 2 3, 18 twos are 36. Next 18 threes are. Why I am doing this means because you people don't know the 18 table. If you know, you are in 5th standard, you should know the table up to 20. If you don't know means you have to solve like this way. It's better to know the table up to 20. Okay, you have to be perfect and thorough up to 20 tables. Okay, if you don't know means no choice. So you don't know means I am doing for your understanding purpose. Okay, so 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 3 8s are 24. So 4 here, 2 carry here. So 3 ones are 3, 4 5, 54. 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. So 2 here, 3 carry here. 4 ones are 4. So we should add 3. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 7. So 72. So we have to see the two digits number. So what is the two digit number? Is 63. But we are getting 18 for the 72. What is lesser than this? 18 threes are 54. So we should take 18 threes are 54. Okay. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction here. 63 minus 54. 63 minus 54 is nothing but 9. Okay, you can take directly from here. So 3 minus 4 we cannot do. So you should take borrow from here and this will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 and this will become 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. So and directly you can do 63 minus 54 also you will get 9. What is the next number here? 3. So this will become 93. Now we have to do 18 in 18 table when 93 will come. Here 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 5 8s are 40, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. So 18 fives are 90. So 18 fives are 90. Here 93 is there, no? If you do 18 6 that will get more numbers. So it's better to take 18 fives are. 93 minus 90 is 3. What is the next number here? 5. So 18 twos are 36. Here 35 is there. So what we should take? We should take 18 ones are 18. 35 minus 18. 15 minus 8 is 7. Because we should take 5 minus 8 we cannot do. So we should take borrow from side number. So it will become 15 minus 8 is 7. This will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 17. Okay. So we cannot do 18 divided by 17. So what is the next number here? 7. So it will become 177. Okay. So we have to search in table. Let us do 18 nines are 9 8s are 72. So 2 here 7. 9 ones are 9 plus 7. 9 ones are 9 plus 7 is 16. So 162 is our answer. How much? 162 is our answer. 18 tens are 180. So we should get 177. So it's better to take 18 nines are 162. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1 and this will be 0. Okay, so this is our, no number is, so I'm stopping here. So this is our remainder. Okay, this is our remainder. So what is this? This is quotient we got, this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is remainder. So what they said, find the quotient and remainder and also check the answer. So verification we have to do. In order to check the answer, we have to do the verification. This is the formula of verification. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor here? 18. Okay, and what is the quotient here? 3510. Sorry, 3519. What is the remainder here? 15. So I have written here. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 3519 into 18. Let us do this. So when we'll multiply 3519 into 18, we'll get 63,342. Okay, you know how to multiply with two numbers. So after multiplication, we'll get this answer. Okay, 63,342. So 63,342 plus 15. What we have to do? We have to add with 15. Okay, let us do here. 63,342 plus 15. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. This 3 will be as it is. This 3 will be as it is. 6. So what we got here? 63,357. We got the dividend here also, same 63,357. Means our verification is correct. We did the correct solution. Okay, understood? Okay, in the next class I am going to start the next bit. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.